how can your available balance affect your account?
That is a great question. If you have holds on your account that are affecting your available balance, a purchase or a check being drawn on your account that is more than your available balance can result in an uncollected funds fee. This is a $35 service charge for using money that is not available for you to use. There is also a $35 fee for overdrawing your account. So it's very important for you to know and to understand what holds are affecting your balance.
I would think most of us would want to avoid having to pay these fees. How can we do that?
Well, it's very important that customers keep track of their balances and what holds may be out there. Good account management is the best way to avoid any fees, uncollected fees and/or overdrafts. We offer mobile banking, online banking, and telephone banking services to help customers keep track of their balances, and you can also call us. We also offer overdraft protection and overdraft privilege as an additional tool for managing your accounts. There are costs and fees associated with using these programs. We'd be happy to discuss these programs in more detail with you, or you can learn more on our website.